Well, in this morning's Legal Spotlight, we're joined by attorney Brenton Begley from McIntyre Elder Law. And our topic this morning is what estate planning helps you prepare for. So let's start with the basics. What is estate planning, sir?
Well, estate planning is all about planning for the future and anticipating the risks that we all face to our money and our property.
So what are some of the biggest risks that people face with their money and their property?
Well, there's two main ones. The first one is the cost of long-term care. So if you ever need skilled nursing care, nursing home, in-home care, that sort of thing. And number two is probate.
And what is probate?
So probate is really, that's the government taking control over someone's assets.
To say that again, the government's taking control of your assets?
That's right. After someone passes away, right, there's a process where the government takes control of the assets before they get to the heirs. And it's important to know that that happens because that is the only opportunity in North Carolina for a creditor to come after the estate.
Is in probate.
Is in probate, that's right.
Okay, we want to avoid that. So who needs the long-term care? You mentioned about long-term care. Who needs to worry about long-term care?
Well, 70% of individuals who make it past the age of 65, so retirement age, will end up needing some type of long-term care. So really all of us need to worry about the cost of long-term care because it's not cheap. So there's in-home care. Most people want in-home care because that, you get to live in your home. Yeah, but there's also the possibility of going to some type of facility, whether assisted living or a skilled nursing facility, which can be very, very costly, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month.
So how can you avoid or at least mitigate some of these life-changing situations?
Right, so it's all about planning ahead, putting the pieces in place to make sure that you, your family, your property are protected. But if you do have some type of plan in place, it can be flexible. It can make sure that you don't have to go through a long, lengthy probate process and make sure that your money and property is protected if, God forbid, you do need long-term care.
So you guys do free consultations, correct? So how does that benefit the person who's getting the free consultation?
Well, we're all about education. That's why we do things like this show. We do seminars. We put out a lot of information on our website, and we want to educate folks person to person. That's the best way to do it. So come on in, sit down with me for an hour, and I'll tell you exactly what you need.
All right, so where can people schedule appointments?
mcelderlaw.com is our website, and you can schedule right there on the website.
mcelderlaw.com. But Brenton, thank you very much, sir.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Please don't wait till it's too late.